the fuck is up? It's Strivemont, and I'm here to show you technical analysis. Now you're probably wondering, Strivemont, why would I be using technical analysis when Warren Buffett told me to use fundamentals to dictate whether or not stocks go up, down, left, or right? No, throw that shit out the fucking window. That shit doesn't work. Have you seen the markets lately? If you're using fundamentals to pick out your stocks right now, golly, this shit clapped. Now, we want to be using technical analysis because the market is far from reality. And I'm going to start this off with the fundamentals, the basics, the introduction to candlesticks. Not the shit you light up in your house when it's fucking dark, but the shit you see at a chart, alright? The Candlesticks by Strivemont. Understanding the stick. There's 4 components that make up a candlestick: the low price, the open price, the close price, and the high price. Alright? So for this example, we're going to be using a 1-minute chart, and every minute a candle is formed. So let's say in the beginning of that minute, we have an open price of $3. That would be right here. $3, which is the open price. The bulls come in, they push the price up to a high of $6. But let's say the minute isn't complete yet. So then the bears come in, and then they drop it down, and now we have a close price of $4, which forms this candle you're seeing right now. So that's basically the basics of the candlesticks. And now that you know how it works, we're going to talk about how different shapes and forms can dictate whether the stock price is going to go up or down. So the doji. Now doji is normally formed when the opening and close price are equal. In other words, the number of buyers and sellers is matched. That is what makes doji, and this is going to be very important. I'm not going to go into it right now, but you want to stick around for the doji, alright? Alright, the shooting star. If you're a bull, you don't want to shoot for this fucking star. Let me tell you why. A shooting star is normally found at the top of an uptrend, which signifies signs of reversal. Alright, this is very bearish. You see this long wick followed by this small body. This shows signs that the stock is about to take a dip. Alright, maybe at one point this looked very bullish, but then the bears decided to come give it limp dick, giving it the shooting star appearance. You want to get the fuck out depending on the next candle. Alright, be careful. Alright, it's hammer time. This is found at the bottom of a downtrend. This is very bullish. And if you didn't fucking notice, it's the same as the shooting star but flipped. Isn't that crazy? Well, there you go. You got the hammer, which shows that the stock has finally found support after its downtrend. But that doesn't mean that the stock has to go up again. Alright, that's the hammer. Hey, you still there? Don't leave me hanging, man. We got the bearish candle, which is called the hanging man, which also appears at the top of an advancement. Alright, this shows that the buyers are starting to lose pressure, momentum, and that's gonna go down. Doesn't have to, but it could go down. Alright, so be careful with this one. Alright, the bullish, bearish, engulfing pattern. Alright, so you see this red candle? Let's say you're at a downtrend. You see this red candle, and then out of nowhere, fucking Green Hulk's dick decides to show up, and you get this big candle, which is double its size. Alright, not double it. Alright, you get it, but it's bigger than that one. So, what happens? Well, obviously, whoever has the biggest dick wins. So, this shows signs of reversal and that the stock is about to go up again. Where would be the opposite. But just note, it doesn't have to do that. Alright? But, these are all candles that give us signs of the probability of what will happen next. Alright? We're trying to predict the future. Alright? But it doesn't mean it will happen. Did you guys really think I was gonna end this video without showing you how I use these candles in a real life application? Do you know who the fuck Strivemont is? I'm here to teach you some fucking TA. Now, we're looking at Tsla, okay? Now, middle of the day, we see an uptrend. And what do we see at the top of an uptrend? Oh, doesn't that look familiar? It should look familiar. Yeah, I just taught you what the fuck that means. That's a shooting star at the top of an uptrend. It represents signs of reversal. Alright, and what do we have next? There goes the reversal. Now you're probably wondering, when would I enter a short position? Some people would do on a second bar, but knowing me, I would do on a third when it breaks the moving average. So this is very bearish to me, following down the VWAP and the SMA. And then at the bottom, we see a reversal with the bullish engulfing candle, okay? And that's when we make our way up. Now, on this side of the chart, I taught you guys about hammers, right? Now a hammer appears at the bottom of a downtrend. This is the downtrend. Appears at the bottom, and it signifies signs of reversal. So what do we have? Here comes a reversal all the way up, and then another shooting star, which signifies another reversal back down, and then followed by a bullish engulfing candle, and then all the way up. Alright guys, this shit's not complicated. You just gotta practice it. You gotta look at the candles, and you gotta put 2 to 2 together. Alright, it's not that simple. Alright, so on that note, I'm leaving you guys. Make sure to leave me with a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll be out.